How to delete your Twitch account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Helpdesk, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your Twitch account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your Twitch account, what you need to do is, first of all, you just want to go to twitch.tv and then make sure you're signed into your account. Once you sign into your account on the Twitch website, just click on your profile icon from the very top right hand side, as you could clearly see, and here you want to switch to the option called settings from the bottom of the screen. Once you go to the settings option, you'll be taken to this page over here. At the very bottom, you'll find the option called disabling your Twitch account. So it says disable your Twitch account. If you want to disable your account, you can do so from the disable account page. So just go ahead and click on this button that says disable account. Now you might ask, this is the link to disable my account and not deleting my account. So as you can also clearly read here, it says disabling your account temporarily deactivates your profile and content but does not delete your user information. Now this is only the option to disable it. So how do we delete our account? Well, currently you can say it's disable account. So if we want to delete our account, in the URL address bar you can say twitch.tv/user/disable-account. Now instead of disable, you just have to replace this disable text with delete. So just go ahead and type in delete in this case. Once you type in delete over here instead of disable, just refresh it again and then hit the enter button, and now you will see delete account. So it says, are you sure you'd like to delete your Twitch account? This will permanently erase all your content and profile information. So previously we had disable, but now we have delete, and we've been taken to the deletion account page. Over here, just choose the account to delete. In my case, I only have one, and tell us why you want to delete your account over here, which is also really optional, as you can see over here. And then just click on the button that says delete account. It may ask you to confirm with your password and so on in order to delete your account, but you can see your account has been deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Twitch account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.